I love San Juan.
Hi guys!
Ngayon daw, we're back again to Cebu. We will be back again to Cebu.
Bye Shurga! We're going to Cebu!
Ang arte na to. Nakatry nakamayo. Nakamiyo lang. Ito yung San Juan Siargao School.
San Juan Siargao School. And now we're going to Cebu.
Yes.
And we're so
Happy to be part of this.
so
Siargao.
wet. We look like basang sisiw.
Ito yung kanilang